and they're off. She's a rock star, came out a little bit slowly, missed it a length, and so did Accounting. So they're at the back of the field. Sweetest Melody came out well. Divya rushing up on the outside, and Crunches is in between that pair, but it'll ease back as Divya goes to the lead now, but it hasn't crossed. Sweetest Melody still holding the inside advantage for the moment, and then came Crunches third from Shadow Miss to Leica. Then She's a Rock Star getting back into the field, followed further back by Miss Shiraz, and Accounting, the other one that missed the start, is at the tail of the field. So Divya's clear as they're under the 800 metres. It looks like it's crossed over onto the fence now in advance of Crunches, which rushed up on the outside, and that'll put the favourite in a pocket, Sweetest Melody. Then Delica, followed by Shadow Miss. Miss Shiraz next, followed by She's a Rock Star, and Accounting back last of all. Tempo's pretty slow as they approach the home turn. He's still got a good hold on Divya. Crunches a neck away second. Sweetest Melody still in the pocket. Delica starting to make a move three wide. And then Miss Shiraz four deep into the straight, followed by Shadow Miss going for a run in the centre. And then She's a Rock Star and Accounting coming down the outside. Daylica swept up quickly, and Daylica joins them, and probably he's got its head in front now from Divya and also Crunches, and then Shadow Miss. Now something's happened to Sweetest Melody. It'll finish tailed off. It's Divya and Daylica. Divya on the outside, Daylica. It's Divya on the inside just in front of Daylica, and Divya fought back, and out came Daylica, who clearly headed at Crunches third. Then Accounting, followed further back in behind them next by Shadow Miss, and then She's a Rock Star, Miss Shiraz, and Sweetest Melody has pulled up at the tail of the field.